Royal. Where are we?
I'm at a creek.
We are in the middle of a creek, you guys. Look how the water is just flowing and it's so beautiful. We're around all this lovely nature.
Yeah, so much rock. And we're going to climb up a mountain today.
A mountain? Not exactly a mountain, but look. We did do some little walking to get here, a little bit of a hike to get here, and it's beautiful, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
So Royal has a new toy that she wants to show you, and she's going to play with it down here in the creek.
Yeah.
And what is it, Royal?
It's a bubble gun.
Let's get it. Okay, so Royal, what do you have there?
This is a bubble gun.
It's a bubble gun, and it's called Blitz. We got it from Target a couple days ago.
Yeah, and it's pink or purple, whatever color you can call it.
Yeah, it has pink, purple, and blue.
Yes.
Go ahead and give it a go. It takes 3 AA batteries. Let's see. There's a little straw in it, so you have to make sure the bubbles get all the way to the top. We tested it before we left home, so it works. We just have to make sure. Let's see. Let me try it. Hold on. It has a cute little light in it, too. Okay, let's give it a try, Royal. Press it. There we go.
Bubble.
Yeah.
Well,
Okay,
they're
keep it going, Puna Muna. That's her nickname. Keep it going, Royal.
They're going in
Woo!
the
Ooh!
water.
Shoot it up in the air. Will it go up in the air? Look at all these beautiful bubbles. Look at that, you guys. Bubbles in the middle of the creek. It's so cute. Hold it upright, maybe.
Wait.
Okay, press it and
Here.
press it and let go. Press it. There we go. Look at
The
that.
rocks are washing up.
Yeah. So how do you like it?
I like it.
You like it?
The bubble is still alive.
Can I see it? Can I shoot some bubbles, Royal?
Yes.
Let's see if you can get them, but be careful. Uh-oh, look at all these trees and leaves. Woo! Woo! Careful now. Careful. Woo! Blitz bubble gun, you guys. And it's your favorite color. You just have to kind of press it. Here's the little trigger. You press it, let go. Press it, let go. Uh-oh. What's going on with it? You want to give it a try?
Yes, let me see.
Okay, go ahead and give it a try. Oh, you got it. Oh, you're doing such a great job with the bubbles. Ooh.
I'll slap you. Oh, I could slap you.
You going to slap the bubbles? A nice, gentle, playful slap. Oh, you're stepping on the bubbles. You're stepping on the bubbles. Okay, let's blow some more bubbles. Whee! Royal likes to blow the bubbles. Oh, look, Royal, there's some rock crawlers over there. Some crawlers.
Where?
Isn't that cute? Royal's dad and brother is doing a video in the creek with their cute cars.
I stepped on him.
Whee! Super cute. Bubble Princess. Oh, look at the Bubble Princess. Wow, you guys. It's a bubble party in the creek. Oh. Oh, I just love it.
Stop it. Ding. Let it go.
Woo!
It's ice everywhere. Mommy, step on the bubble.
Oh, okay. I'll try to step on the bubbles. I don't want to fall. Pop, 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 pop.
Pop,
pop,
the
pop,
bubble.
pop. I'm popping the bubbles.
Pop, pop, pop. I'm spraying the whole creek.
Woo! Bubbles in the creek. Bubbles in the creek. Wow, it's such a lovely day out today. We're in the creek and I'm with my little pony. We're just minding our business, enjoying the water, looking at the creek. Look how beautiful it is. It's gorgeous. Maybe we'll see something exciting. Oh, we're just enjoying the rest of the day. Pink Pony, I just love coming to the creek to have a good time. It's just so beautiful out here. Just lovely. Oh, what is this? It's bubbles. There were some bubbles just coming from somewhere. Oh my! It's like a phenomenon. Oh, I like bubbles too. I wonder where they're coming from. I'm gonna try to pop them. Pop! Oh, it's like a wave of bubbles. Look! Pop! Pop! Yippee! 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 Oh, they're wetting me all up. Yippee! Pop! 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 Come on, Pink Pony. Pop! 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 We must find out where these bubbles coming from. Oh, it's just the most best thing ever. Yay! Yay! Oh, it feels so good. Oh! Tammy and Pink Pony had such a wonderful surprise. There were bubbles just pouring from the sky. They wondered where the bubbles came from. Where did the bubbles come from? Hey! You did it! It's the Bubble Princess Royal! Royal! Did you know you were the Bubble Princess?
Yes.
You did?
Did you know where the bubbles was coming
They
from?
loved it!
La 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 la.
Woo!
I play bubbles.
It's so many bubbles. I can't see, Pink Pony. Can you see?
Okay, guys, you warm you up.
No, I can't see either.
Okay, let me get some of the bubbles out.
Look at this big bubble on my face. Oh, my eyes are burning. It burns.
Okay.
It burns.
Okay, we will just warm you up.
Royal, you're the Bubble Princess. I know you were trying to be nice to us, but we're hurt now. Can you help us? No, we don't want any more bubbles.
Okay, I'll pick you up and just lay on this rock for a minute.
Okay. Maybe you can get a napkin.
Yeah.
And wipe me, and maybe the sunlight can just dry my eyes.
Okay.
Okay, Royal?
I got one.
Royal. Oh, good. You're gonna wipe our face?
Yeah, I'm gonna wipe you. But
Oh, please. Thank you so much.
okay, and
I'm so soapy.
I will just let you just go in here, and I'll just wipe you off, and just dry. I'll dry your hair off.
Thank you, Miss Bubble Princess Lady. Oh, I feel so clean. So clean.
Okay, I'll wipe your pony
Can
off.
you play with us when you're done wiping us off, but not with the bubbles? We can relax with the bubbles right now.
Okay.
Whew. This is so refreshing.
I bet you feel so good in it.
Yes, I feel amazing.
I didn't know you talk.
Yeah, I'm a horsey and I can talk too. I can multitask. Oh yeah, clean my bottom. Oh, this feels great. You're a professional wiper. The water is so lovely.
Yes, it is. It's so lovely.
Oh, let's just sit and listen to the river flow.
Yes, it is. It feels good.
Do you hear something?
Yeah, do you hear
I fell over. Mommy, I hear some babies in distress.
Well, go save them.
Okay, let's see where the sound is coming from. Keep listening.
Oh, I see them. I see some babies over there.
Where? Let's find them.
Right there.
We're getting closer. Let's get closer.
Okay. Let's get closer.
There are some babies.
There's some babies. They need me rescued. Stay there.
Tammy, be careful. It's wet. It's dangerous.
Ew, oh, sorry.
Oh my goodness. Let me save you. Let me save you.
I got the babies.
Oh, you're drifting away. You're drifting away.
The baby drifting away. We're trying to get it. Oh no. I'm gonna save you, baby. I got you. Let me get off there.
Okay, let's put them on the rock.
Okay.
All right, let's check them out.
Okay, let's check them out.
Who are they? Do you know who these babies are, Royal? Who are these babies?
Well, I don't know.
They're so cute.
Well, I saw a snake over there.
I'm soaking wet. What a day. But these babies were floating down the creek and we couldn't just let them go. Babies, are you okay? They look like those dolls. What's those dolls' names? LOU surprises? What are they, Pony? LOL surprise baby sisters? What are those?
They're my toys, so they call LOL little sisters.
Hey, little sisters, where's your big sisters? We not know. They babysit us. We got lost.
Yeah, we got
Thank you for saving us.
Thank you for saving us.
You know what? I think we should call a doctor. Because we've been through so much today and these babies almost drowned. Let's call a doctor. Bring. Yeah, I'm cruising through this creek here, having a good time. I hear some commotion. I'm hungry. I hear babies crying. There's a lot going on out here. And I'm on a mission to find out who's out here in this creek.
It's a snake!
Hey! Ow!
Get away
I
from
see
me!
some babies over here! I've been defeated. I want that baby.
No! You're never gonna get this baby!
Okay, I'll get you guys next time. This is not the end of this. This is not the end.
Yes, it is! And where's the baby?
Ooh, that was such a close call. I'm so afraid of snakes. Tammy, you're so brave. You fought that snake off like you were a bear. I can't believe a snake actually tried to attack us.
Well, it's
Tammy, you really saved the day.
Well, it's right over there.
Thank you, Tammy, for saving us. Our big sisters will give you a reward or a surprise later. Yeah, we need to call the doctor because we've been through so much, and I think he tried to bite me. Bring. I'm calling up the doc.
No. We don't need the doctors. Well, we saved their lives, so...
Yeah, we did, but we just need to be checked out, and the babies need to make sure they don't have any water in their lungs.
Well, they don't. Look.
We'll just be on the safe side and just check and see. Hello, this is Doc McStuffins. Did someone call me? Tell me what's going on. I'm listening.
Hi, doctor. We need to check out the baby, so, cause they've been out in the water, and they're trying to get attacked by a snake. It's all the way over there, but, I don't know how I got over there.
Oh my goodness, did I hear you say you guys were attacked by snakes? and that there were some babies involved in the water? Okay, I'll be right over. I'm on my way.
Thank you. Oh, can I talk like that?
Hi, did somebody call the doctor? Please tell me what's going on.
The babies got attacked by a snake and they were in the water and they got attacked by a snake.
Wait a minute, did you say some babies were attacked by a snake and that they were in some water and you possibly got bitten by a snake today? Oh my goodness, I'll be right over. This is Doc McStuffins and I'm on my way.
Babies, the doctor is scared.
Okay, you guys, I got over here as quickly as I could. I usually don't make house calls. Well, I usually make house calls, but you guys are out here in the wilderness. I found you as quickly as I could. I'll start with the babies first.
Okay.
Hey, little babies. How are you doing? How do you feel?
Good.
Okay, I'm going to check your temperatures and make sure you don't have any fevers.
So where's your temperature?
I'm going to listen to your lungs and make sure there's no water in your lungs.
So where's your
Take a deep breath.
Okay.
Take a deep breath. Okay, so far you sound good. And I'm going to check your temperatures.
Okay.
And open up your mouth.
Okay, I did.
Okay, everything looks good there. Open up your mouth. Oh my goodness, it's amazing that you guys are okay. And look at you. You've been through a battle, Tammy. Did that snake rip your dress?
Oh yeah,
Your dress is all ripped up.
Yeah, the snake ripped my dress a little bit.
Oh, and Pony, how are you doing?
I'm doing good. I had to swim.
You had to swim and save those babies, didn't you?
Yeah.
You're exhausted. That's why you're falling over now.
Yeah, so
You guys need to be more careful. I know you're adventurous, but my goodness, you have to be safe.
well,
I'm going to prescribe you guys some rest and go home and get some hot cocoa and relax and wash off all the germs. Make sure you don't have any mosquito bites. Can you guys do that?
oh yeah.
And you smell like bubbles. So take a bath and scrub off really good, okay?
Yeah, really been bubbles on us.
Oh, okay. Well, you guys take it easy. I have some other people to tend to today. Thank you for giving me a call. We'll see you later, okay?
Yeah, bye.
Bye-bye. Thanks for watching our video. Bye. Like, share, and subscribe.
Bye.